Hey everybody, in this video we have a Schlage F-Series lever knob cylinder or knob lever cylinder, and we got it in our Lishi vise. I got the vise on my UHS hardware. UHS-hardware.com is where you can purchase it at if anybody's looking. I get asked that question quite a bit. And this video here is going to be featuring the new SC1-L or SC1 left Lishi for left-handed doors. I got this courtesy of Mr. Lee. Should be released here soon. And benefit to it here, I'm going with the regular old SC1 Lishi. And by the way, I've done an SC4-L video too, which I'll put in the corner if you want to see that. But with the SC1 on a left-handed door, it goes in, and you see that you're got to contort your neck around here to see your your spacing and your depths, and also you're fighting your gravity here with your lifter. It's falling towards the ground here, so they invented the left-handed version of it. So basically just everything kind of reversed on it, so when you put it into a left-handed door, you can actually see what you're looking at. Also can come in handy too if you have a door jamb or something in the way. We'll see that real quick if we can actually pick and decode this guy real quick here. So like all Lishi tools, you're just going to go through and look for a binder. Hopefully everybody can see. So let's just make sure tools all the way in. We'll start at number 1 and springy, 2 springy, 3 springy. 4 is binding, nice little click on 4. Okay, little click on 5, got some rotation there. Go back to 1, 1 is still springy. Okay, 2 is actually binding. And I'm getting counter rotation here. With these F-series with that floating pin cab, it's almost like you get counter rotation like you're picking spools here. And I'm sure I overset that, so let me let off tension here and keep my fingers on the lifter here, and I'm look back and see that it'll un-overset itself and give me another chance to set it without having to reset the whole lock here. Little tip, now 1's actually binding, gotta click on 1. Try 2 again here. Just ease off tension a hair and let it rotate back. And overset it again, so I'm going to do the same little maneuver. Come back up. Yeah, I think I actually got it set that time, kind of almost like reverse picking it. And 3 is binding now. Do the same thing. Back off tension here and try to get it to set without oversetting it. And I've actually managed to do that. And now we have it open. And of course from here, the beauty of the Lishi tools is we can now actually decode it. So we're going to have a 7. Yeah, I'm reading this upside down here, so if I'm off, forgive me. We have a 7, we go 4, 3, I believe that is a 6, and a 5. So 7, 4, 3, 6, 5. So that's an example here of the new SC1-L Lishi picking and decoding a Schlage F-Series lock. And if you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments. I try to answer everything. And you'll also see floating on the screen here a playlist to all of my Lishi videos. I've got a whole bunch on the pin tumbler Lishis, and I've got tons and tons of automotive ones. So if you have any interest in Lishis at all, check that playlist out. Like, subscribe, share, and all that stuff. And I think that's all I can think of for now. We'll talk to everybody later.